In this video, I will take a deep dive into the Xiaomi 2K Monitor A27G to see if it really lives up to the hype as a budget king. For many of us, finding that perfect balance between price and performance is the ultimate goal, and Xiaomi seems to be aiming right for that sweet spot. The first thing you notice when you pull this out of the box is the sleek, minimalist design. It features remarkably thin bezels on three sides, which makes it an excellent candidate for a multi-monitor setup. Moving on to the specs, we are looking at a 27-inch IPS panel with a crisp resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. This upgrade from standard HD makes a world of difference for both productivity and gaming because everything looks noticeably sharper. Color accuracy is another highlight here as it covers 100% of the sRGB gamut, meaning your photos and videos will look vibrant and true to life. For the gamers watching, the 100Hz refresh rate provides a much smoother experience than your typical 60Hz office monitor. While it might not satisfy professionally sports players, it feels incredibly fluid for casual titles and everyday scrolling.